Hello beautiful people, Dr. Volodymyr Chernik is here. Today I'd like to introduce you a BioRestore, a product that harnesses the power of nature's finest elements. BioRestore is the blend of damask rose, Malpighiaea fallax, tea plant and caterpillar mushroom that delivers a symphony of botanical peptides that stimulate the healing process. These extraordinary botanical peptides provide antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, all of which work in tandem to accelerate tissue repair and promote wound healing. For example, Acerola cherry or Malpighiaea fallax is a vitamin C rich. Its high vitamin C content boosts collagen formation and skin repair, making it a useful wound healing ingredient. Tea plant or Camellia sinensis that is used to produce a popular beverage contains, as we know, polyphenols, especially catechins. These chemicals protect and regenerate skin tissues with high antioxidant actions. Together, in combination with the other two BioRestore constituents that show anti-inflammatory properties, the blend offers a powerful natural remedy for wound healing and tissue repair. Alright? Now, let's investigate how to maximize this extraordinary product's benefits. After thoroughly rinsing your oral cavity, open the BioRestore ampule, place the solution under the tongue and swirl for 30 to 60 seconds. Please do not swallow it straight away. A common recommendation is using 1 vial daily for 3 to 6 months, or as directed by your healthcare provider. So, what sets BioRestore apart? This product's bioavailability is unparalleled. Due to the very small linear size of botanical peptides, your body absorbs these potent substances with the utmost efficiency. And this is not all. BioRestore is chemical-free and natural, ensuring that you receive only the best medicinal benefits of nature. Embrace the transformative power of Phytomyco range BioRestore from MF3 Swiss Natura, alright? So, we can heal and thrive by turning to nature's wisdom. Nature's wealth gives us the tools to nourish and rejuvenate our bodies. Please reach us for more information on how BioRestore can improve your health journey. And we'd like you to have a look at our other videos and deals, alright? And I'm grateful for your precious time and attention. I hope everything works well for you and that you stay in great health. Thank you very much.